Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have here the S26 Ultra, and in today's video guys, I'll be showing you to turn any video that you have into a slow motion video. Now of course, normally in order to make a slow motion video as I'm about to show you, you would have to go to the camera and select the slow motion option and then film that footage specifically in slow motion. Now with the S26 Ultra, there's no need for that anymore. You can turn any normal video into a slow motion video, which is an exciting new feature that you must try. So of course, I'm going to show you to do that right now. So we're going to go to the camera. So go ahead and launch. We're going to go to video mode, and we do not need to do anything special at first. All we got to do is just record a normal video. I have one of my tools here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to hit record. I'm going to show this, then I'm going to drop it. All right, so as you can see, we dropped it just now. And here we are. I'm just going to do some motion. And of course, I'm recording now. Here we are. So as you can see here, I'm simply moving this across the screen just to get some footage. And you can see my normal movement. Sorry about that. And of course, you can see here, we have gotten about 30 seconds of footage. I'm going to stop. All right, so once we stop, as seen here, we're going to go to the gallery. And as you can see, we're in the gallery now. This is the video. So you can see, just playing a few seconds of it to make sure that you realize that it's actually normal. In terms of speed, you can see I'm moving at a normal speed. All right, so you get the idea. So everything is moving at a normal pace. And check this out, guys. All you gotta do is find the video, any video that you have recorded, and we're gonna long press. Sorry about that. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna long press. All right, sorry about that. So it's actually, so if you're here, do not long press from the preview menu. Go ahead and tap on the video you want to do slow motion in, such as this one. So tap once, I should have said, and you're gonna long press. Long press. All right, you can see already it's moving in slow motion. All right, so you see it's turning the video into a slow motion video, and you can see that the video is slowed down. All right, so that's how you do it. Now, in order to convert the video fully, let go, and once you do, you're gonna see this icon here. So if I tap, notice it says slow motion clip is saving a slow motion clip, and it's doing the conversion. All right, there you go. If we go back, it now has created a 14-second slow motion video. So the idea here is that it will not do the entire 39 seconds, but it is just 14 seconds of slow motion. So check out the slow motion, guys. All right, so you get the idea. All right, guys, since it does only 14 seconds, what you can do is for a longer video, go ahead and use the timestamp in the video. You're going to move to a specific part that you like. So for example, let's say I like this section here. Let me just look for a very specific section. Move to the section that you like. So let's say I like this section according to the preview. Simply find the section that you like, then long press on that section. Estimate in your head like 14 seconds, and that's about it. Then hit download. Now it says save in clip. Now 14 seconds, it will choose this, you choose a spot and long press on that particular spot, so you can choose a moment. All right, so here I did only 6 seconds, so make sure that you count it in your head or set a timer, and there you go. It has done this section in slow motion, and this is just a demonstration video to show you that it actually works and how to manipulate the setting itself. So as you can see there, it does work. So you can go ahead, find your favorite clips, find those seconds. You can do that 14 seconds or so, or the specific amount of time that you want. I think it does up to 14 seconds. You can test it out yourself, and then you can make your slow motion clips, which is great for those special moments that you have captured to convert them into slow motion video versus going into the camera and going to more and selecting slow motion here. All right, so if those moments were perfect for a slow motion, you can then convert them. All right, so hope that was helpful, guys, and see you in the next one. Bye.